The color yellow is so inviting for a summer tablescape. Lemon and floral designs make up this beautiful summer tablescape and inspired by flowers and fruit. The 4th of July has passed and now summer is in full bloom. The ideas are from Dollar Tree and Z9 Designs, who has a lovely tablescape set up for you. Here are some designs that may inspire you to create a lovely tablescape that you can put your own spin on it. Many ideas you see here are original. Most supplies are from Dollar Tree and made from my creative mind. The supplies needed for this tablescape include some floral garden mesh ribbons, and I use only 3 rolls, hot glue, lemon dinnerware, a lemon placemat. You will see a picture of this placemat in the collaboration You Try It. Some cork, lemon stemware, yellow napkins, white napkins, napkin rings, small and large lemons, glass chargers, silverware, tea lights, paper roses, and this was in, what month is this? Candle, and I used a large candle, but you can use any size that fits in a vase of your choice. Some green leaves and reptile adhesive. So let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is to make the table runner out of the floral garden mesh ribbon. And I found this in Dollar Tree. It comes in green and then it comes in kind of like a beige or sand colored. And this is such a cool table runner made from this ribbon. And I haven't seen anything like it on YouTube. You want to measure your table and cut the ribbon to fit your table. Remember, the longer your table, the more ribbon you will need. I cut 5 strands of ribbon of the same length, or you can cut the first ribbon, and as you are making the table runner, you can just cut as you go. And it will be the same length as the first one you cut. After you have all cut them, or you're starting the gluing process, then get going. Because the ribbon is so thin and wispy, you need to just put a dot of hot glue on various spots where the ribbon is somewhat thicker. Now you can see that it is all put together. So take your time. Do not rush the process. So lay 1 strip of ribbon over the other using 1 dot of glue, and you do that until you have 5 layers of ribbon side by side, not on top of each other, but side by side. Once you have completed this, it's all put together, you can lay it on your table, and I have just a wooden table, or you can place it on a white tablecloth or any other tablecloth that may have some yellow and green in it. Then you will place your bowl in the middle of the runner, and depending on how big your bowl is, you can place a large candle in the center and then a globe over the candle. But before then, you can add a few lemons that surround the candle until the bowl is full and surrounds the globe that's over the candle. Place some green leaves throughout the lemons, and it picks up the green that's in your table runner. And you can see, doesn't that look nice already? And because there's lots of yellow, when I put the plates down, I put a white salad plate in the middle of the lemon plate. However, you could just leave it as it is. Now, in the middle of the white salad plate, I placed a tea light in the middle of a napkin ring to give the table setting more interest. The placemat was sent to me by Amanda Anything, and I thought it would be a great idea to use the lemons that were scattered on the placemat as coasters. I cut out the lemons, including the leaves. I accidentally cut off one of the leaves, but hot glue to the rescue. These lemons were perfect to set my stemware on top. In fact, they were the right size. But I wasn't finished yet. I took some cork and put some reptile glue on the lemons and then set them on the cork. Then I cut them out again, and I kneaded the cork so that the underside would have a smooth surface. And all I had to do after the reptile adhesive was on and lay it on the cork was to wait for it to dry and then cut around the cork. All four were done and they look amazing. Now, who says that you have to put the same colored napkins around the table? I used 2 yellow and 2 white napkins. This time, instead of laying them across the plate or on the side of the plate, I put them in the stemware. Then from a previous video, and it's What Month Is It?, I made some yellow roses and I placed them in the stemware with the white napkins for a touch of elegance. Now the stemware is added. Light the candle, turn on the battery-operated tea light, scatter a few lemons on the table, and you're ready for a great dinner with family and friends. Now the tea light, all you need to do for the tea light is to get a Dollar Tree napkin ring, get one of the small lemons and hot glue it to the napkin ring. Place one of the battery-operated tea lights in the middle of the napkin ring and look at the elegance you can have. Please like, subscribe, and save and comment if you so choose. I would love to have you part of the Z9 Designs family. And remember, a part of kindness consists of loving people more than they deserve. Bye-bye. I'll see you next time.